This project is RFID based tollgate automation. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16x2 LCD, RFID connected to Arduino UART port, DC motor controlled by L23D which is connected to Arduino digital pin. Here IR sensor and buzzer is connected to Arduino digital pin. Now power on this. IR sensor placed before tollgate. It detects the vehicle presence. When IR detects the vehicle, then RFID card needs to swipe. Here we have 3 cards. 2 are valid. Each card has 50 rupees balance. Third card is invalid. For each entry at toll gate, 10 rupees will direct and the gate will be open. After delay, it will be closed. For nil balance, gate will not open and buzzer will be on. This one is invalid. For an invalid vehicle, buzzer will on.